1, 2, 3. When I was born into this world, I was born a loser. No chance at all to make it on my own. The devil tried to tell me that he was my dearest friend, but every time I tried to get up, he'd push me right back again. That's when someone came and told me